Working on some ailerons today, and I'm working on the attachment point, so I wanted to show you real quick a little fixture that we used. It's just a piece of 1 inch by 3/16 that I have welded on. It's a piece of heavy wall tubing, so it's just a 1/4 inch diameter inside, so I run that 1/4 inch bolt through, and that sits on the leading edge of the aileron. And that way it holds it all in the same position. From the leading edge back to the center of the hole is all the same on all of them. And I can duplicate that anywhere I want. You just bolt it on there, and then I clamp it here on the trailing edge. Just run a little clamp on it to hold it in place while I weld it. All of those get welded to a piece of heavy wall 3/8. And what I like to do is I want the center line of this 3/8 into the center line of this 1 1/4 inch when I weld it. So to make sure I get all those where they need to be, if you do all the math, half of this pipe and half of this, I need 7/16 underneath this one to line them all up. And I don't have any 7/16 tubing or flat, so what I've done is I've took a 7/16 bolt and cut the head off of it. That just slides under there and sets my height for me. So it's really handy anytime you've got an oddball shim size that you need. You can always get a bolt of some, whatever diameter you need. I needed a 7/16, so that's what I used, but you can just go through your drill bit case. If you've got old drill bits laying around with a round shank or something like that, you can cut those off. I've about got this aileron done. I've just got to weld those 4 little attachment points on, and then it'll be ready to cover. So if you haven't already, check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Valley Engineering. I post daily on there pictures of what's going on here around the shop and things I'm working on. I post on there every day and sometimes a couple times a day. So if you like these videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll get some more on there as we go along.